off to Amherst, New Hampshire this afternoon, so that way there we can take care of a septic tank line. I felt like I had my sunglasses on my head for a second there. Wish us luck. Make sure you comment in the comment section down below for me to help our YouTube algorithms out. That'd be great. Thanks! Let's get the flashlight. It is.
The red, but I can't
just touch the screen.
Yeah, I did. Nothing's happening.
It shows it's on. Are they good?
Yeah, they're good. I got the nippy one.
Okay. As long as you have that one. I'll let the other one sniff me.
Come on. Her name is Betsy. She has one eye.
Okay. Alrighty. So what do we have going on?
I think there's a clog. If you do take a shower upstairs, the cellar floods. It comes out the drain pipe where the washer is.
Okay, when you flush this toilet, does it do the same thing?
Yes.
So everything does it. Do you know where the septic tank is?
It's out that way. Somewhere on the porch here is loose tile.
Okay.
That you can lift up. That's where they drain, because we had it.
That's where they pump from? Yeah,
Yeah.
she said like 3 months ago, she said. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, alrighty, let's take a look down in the basement and we'll see. Can you show me where it's coming out of down there?
Yeah.
Hi, sweetie.
Bessie, if you could keep her up here, it all comes out there.
Okay. So anytime you use it.
Yeah.
Alright. It's Cass going through the
Which
foundation.
my husband tried snaking it, but he couldn't get that cap off.
Yep.
To do a good snake.
Okay. Alrighty, so this
he got
is
a smaller cap off, but not enough was coming out.
Yeah, usually when it's the main line like that, you're not going to want to go through a smaller one anyways, because you're not going to be able to clean it properly, depending on what it is that's actually causing the issue. So I will go outside. We're going to open up the septic tank. We're going to check out there.
If you want to...
Right, I'm going to say that was quickly.
Yeah, there's a couple that are...
I'm going to say that this is the
septic
inlet.
What's that mean?
That means when... It means where the... I need the shovel. You can set that up right here. We'll get gloves. It means where the line comes out from the house to the tank. So I'm going to say that this is the inlet from the house, which means it goes into the tank. And then the outlet would be this side.
This will fall.
Going out.
If you break, I'm going to be in trouble.
You know what I mean? Yeah, try to stay away from that. That way? Yeah, this one.
It's like a cactus.
I think it's more. Alright, so I'm not going to have you lift this, but once I lift, push the shovel underneath it to help me. You know what I mean? I'm going to lift just a little bit. And then I want you to push that shovel underneath. We got to be ready, because I can't really grip it. Alright. Just leave it there. Just hold it. Ready?
Yep.
Shovel. Welcome to my job. The inlet should be right here. See how this level is so much higher than the... You can't see... There's what they call an inlet pipe that goes this way.
Uh-huh.
You can't see the inlet pipe. You should be able to see it. This water level is way above where the inlet is. That tells me that there might be an issue with the leach field.
Oh, I was hoping it wouldn't be that. Then you're looking at thousands of dollars, huh?
Oh. Honestly, I don't know. That's not me. That's the septic company. Who does she usually use for...
I have no idea. We call her and then she sends people.
Like I said, I can't even see the inlet. Lillian, can you go to the truck and get me my phone?
Your phone or the work?
I have the work phone. There's something big in there. Do you know when they came to pump it, did they pull off 2 covers?
I wasn't here when they came. Is there 2 covers?
It feels like I'm trying to lift another cover, which if that's the case, this is way too high.
I have no idea. I know that she had it pumped once,
Yep.
shortly after my daughter moved in. And then when we got all that rain a couple weeks ago,
Yep.
that's when she started having problems.
Okay, that
And
actually tells me a lot. I'm glad you mentioned that. She's a 7-8. No, that wouldn't be her. Texas, that's her. All right, just hold it for a sec. I gotta call the building owner here.
I know. Hello?
Hi, Grace. It's Shelly from Drain Medic.
Hi, Shelly. How are you doing?
I'm good. I think you might have an issue that's bigger than me here.
Oh, no. What is it?
So, you know where the tiles are that the septic tank is over? That are on the patios? You know the patio tiles, the big ones that you lift up to gain access to the septic tank?
Yes, yes.
Is there another cover just below those?
Another cover under that one?
Yeah, so after you lift up the big tile, do you remember if there's another cover under there?
No, I don't think there's another cover under there.
Okay, I think you might... I think there's an issue with your leach field.
With the leach field?
Yeah. Because this septic line, I should be able to see the inlet baffle where it leaves the house and goes into the tank.
Yes.
And I can't see it at all, and the water level's pretty high.
Are you there now?
I am. I'm staring down into a hole of raw sewage.
Oh, my goodness. So you're right at the tank at the patio level.
Yes, I am.
And you remove the cover, and that's where the septic tank is, right?
Correct.
And so what you're saying is that you do not see...
the inlet, which means the pipe that leaves the house and goes into the tank. I can open the second cover and see if the water level in the second cover is lower, but I don't think it's going to be because that's the outlet to the leach field.
Oh, so what has to happen now?
Unfortunately, you're probably going to have to get the septic company back out here
Okay.
and have them pump this down and have them check your leach field. Right. I figured it was these ones because they don't really match the others. But